We're back with more breaking news coming in. Emergency use of Sputnik 5 sought. In fact, Dr. Reddy's laboratories have initiated this process with the DCGI for the emergency use authorization of this vector-based platform vaccine candidate Sputnik 5. Let's in fact go across to Sharon, who has more details. Sharon, tell us more about this development being reported. Dr. Reddy's have initiated the process with the DCGI for emergency use authorization.
Well, that is right. Now, when we talk about the Dr. Reddy's, they have in fact been working with the Russian Direct Investment Fund to hold. They have been holding small clinical trials in India, and their vaccination is called Sputnik 5. Now, they have in fact last week in an official statement has in fact said that by the beginning of March, they in fact will be seeking an emergency use approval by the Drug Controller of India. So now they have officially submitted all the papers. And we have to see how it goes from here, because so far they have conducted about two phase of trials that is being discussed among the peer. The peer review is still going on, and after the peer review was done, and hence now they have submitted the papers. So we have to, of course, see whether the Sputnik, Russia's Sputnik vaccination will actually get green signal here in India or not.